What does the future of agriculture in Romania look like? A recent report by the OECD takes a deep dive into this question titled Policies for the Future of Farming and Foods in Romania. The report provides a comprehensive analysis of the country's agricultural system, its strengths and its structural challenges, and the policy reforms needed to unlock its potential. In this video, we will break down the key findings and what they mean not only for Romania but of agricultural policy more broadly. Agriculture plays a strategic role in Romania's economy. It has one of the highest shares of agriculture in GDP in the EU. Nearly half of the population lives in rural areas, and the country hosts about 1/3 of all farms in the European Union. However, this importance comes with a paradox. Romania's agricultural sector is highly fragmented, with around 90% of farms smaller than 5 hectares, while less than 1% of large farms control over half of the land. This dual structure is one of the central challenges identified in OECD report. Romania's agriculture is changing, but not fast enough. On the positive side, farm productivity is increasing, agricultural output is growing, and exports are expanding, but there is a catch. Most exports are still low value-added products, such as cereals, oilseeds. This means Romania is not fully integrated into global value chains, limiting its economic gains. At the same time, small farms remain non-commercial. Access to credit and land is restricted, and young farmers struggle to enter the sector. The OECD clearly states structural transformation is happening, but it is too slow and uneven. Romania's agricultural policies are largely shaped by the European Union, especially through the Common Agricultural Policy or CAP. Since joining the EU in 2007, Romania has benefited from agricultural and rural development policies. But the OECD highlights a critical issue. Romania is not using full flexibility of European Union policies. For example, over 60% of funding goes to disproportionately benefit large farms. This reinforces inequality instead of supporting transformation. Environmentally, Romania performs relatively well compared to many countries. Low levels of nitrogen and phosphorus pollution, rich biodiversity, especially in high nature value farming areas. But risks are growing. Greenhouse gas emissions from agriculture are increasing. Water management is inefficient, and irrigation systems are outdated. Climate change is intensifying these pressures through droughts, floods, extreme weather events. Yet, fewer than 1% of farms use risk management tools available under EU policies. This is a major vulnerability. One of the most critical findings of the report is this: Romania agriculture knowledge and innovation system is still underdeveloped. Most farmers have low levels of formal education, training opportunities are limited, and investment in agriculture R&D is among the lowest in the EU. Even more striking, only 0.7% of agricultural support is allocated to knowledge and innovation, far below the EU average. Without strong innovation systems, productivity and sustainability gains will remain limited. So, what does the OECD recommend? Firstly, support viable small and medium farms. Shift funding away from large farms toward market-oriented smaller producers. The second one, accelerate structural transformation, encourage land consolidation, entrepreneurship, and general renewal. Third one, invest in innovation and education, build a strong agricultural knowledge systems and improve farmer skills. Fourth, strengthen environmental policies, promote sustainable practices and climate resilience. And fifth, but not the least, improve policy coherence, better align EU and national policies, and reduce administrative burdens. Romania's agricultural sector has enormous potential, but unlocking that potential requires smarter policies, better targeting of resources, and a stronger focus on innovation and sustainability. As the OECD makes clear, the future of farming in Romania will depend not just on growth, but on how that growth is shaped.